Video. I'm going to show you how to rename Windows 11 users or how to change Windows 11 users name so that when you restart your Windows computer or you turn off your Windows computer, this is going to show your name instead of showing the computer's name. So if I don't know this video, you found this video helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now, when you want to change your Windows 11's user or rename Windows 11 user's name, is click on the Windows button or the Start button, then search for Control Panel, open it. Once you open the control panel, you can just expand this. Now locate user account and click on that. Here you need to click on change account type. Then once you selected that, you see your local account administrator, select that. Now come down under make changes to your account name. Then click on change the account name. Here rename your Windows user. Then click on change name. Once you selected change name, choose the name change. Then you can go ahead and close this. Now, if you put your Windows computer on lock screen, what you're going to see here is going to be your Windows username or the username you rename to. You can just go ahead and click on the sign in button. So this is how you can easily rename or change your Windows 11 user's name. So if this is helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.